going on, guys? My boy just bought him a Pontiac Vanderbilt. This looks like it got a little misfire. Got to see what's going on with that. It's clean though. What year is this? 07. Clean. Boy got this from IA. Only paid $500 for it. And that's his coupe, by the way. I don't miss my coupe. Still miss my coupe. It's running good. Just gotta make sure ain't no overheating or nothing. We drove 2 hours out here to come pick it up. He did buy it sight unseen. Because it was so low. So this is his Pontiac Vanderbilt 2007. Got $199 on it. Pretty clean though. Just got a rough idle. And a headliner. It's clean. Don't hook the scanner up and see what it does. We in the car now. We gotta make sure it don't overheat. It does have some codes. Random multiple misfire, knock sensor 1, knock sensor 2. So we got it for $500, so it wasn't that bad. As long as it don't overheat. We're about to see what it does. And if it doesn't overheat, we're gonna be on the road. The AC does not work. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. See if this boy overheats. Alright guys, looks like this was a bad one. I didn't even notice this. It says bad motor. So the motor is actually bad in this one. We drove 2 hours to get this car. This car's a dud. My buddy is actually in the office right now trying to get somebody. He's probably either gonna run it back through or have somebody come and get it and scrap the car. So you know what I mean? Can't buy them unseen. At least I don't. I gotta see it in person. You know. So guess that's just a lesson, man. So I don't know how much they're gonna give him if they scrap it, but I'm not sure what he's about to do. He's probably about to, I don't know if he's gonna run it back through or, you know, I'm not sure. So, but yep, bad motor.